Hi everyone, it's me, your young adult librarian, Miss Shonda, and welcome to our final video of the summer reading program, the Manga / Comic Book Workshop. Week 1, we talked about finding our story's voice, and we picked our genres from there. Then we went on to week 2, where we talked about our settings and where we want our place to be set at. Then after that, we did character descriptions. We talked about which characters we were going to do and did character descriptions on them. Then in week 4, we went on ahead and add some visuals to our character based on our character description. In week 5, then we put it all together with a little profile picture with their name and some interesting tidbits about them along with the picture. And then week 6, we finally started working on our script and how we want it to be done and how we were going to do our storyboard. And that's what we're going to be piggybacking today. So last week you were supposed to write down your script, and that's exactly what I've done. I've written down how my story was going to go, and then I added some visuals to it. I went by each sentence and drew out what I wanted to say, and then this is pretty much it. So next week is submission. So those who have caught up and are ready to see who's going to get the first, second, and third place prizes for our Manga / Comic Book Workshop, feel free to email me all of your information. Come by the library and give me all of what you've done these last couple of weeks. If you need help, please call me, message me, come by the library. I'm here from Monday through Friday from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. I'm here from 11 p.m. to 6. I'm here from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and from Monday through Friday if you need any help. And that's pretty much it. This is a super short video because we're done. I will be displaying some of you guys' works that I saved and displaying some of them, especially to those who won the first, second, and third place prize. I'll wait for a little bit, give y'all some time to catch up. Those who's still behind, give y'all a chance to catch up and put in your 2 cents and let me look at what you have and help anybody who needs help. So this is it, but it's certainly not goodbye, because I have a lot more programs for you guys starting in September. We're going to be building models. I'm going to set up an online game room chat. I'm going to be doing some more craft videos if you're interested in craft videos. If you have any suggestions that you want to see virtually, please feel free to let me know. Come by the library and let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you're interested into, and then we could try to do a virtual program centered around that. And until next time, I'll see you around the YouTube channel and in our local community. Y'all be safe out there, and thank you again for being here and watching this video. You have a good day. Goodbye.